Hi, this is Edwin Cabrera here in Manassas, Virginia. I love cryptocurrencies. I think cryptocurrency is the trend of the future as far as dealing with money in the future. I wanted to tell you about 4 ways that you can get involved in making money with cryptocurrencies. I'm really going to focus in on what is a master node and how to do that because most people don't know anything about it. But I'm going to introduce you to a couple of ways that are pretty easy to get into, and you can do it yourself or you can have somebody else do it for you. So let's start with number one. Number one is simple: buy and hold. Just buy the cryptocurrencies, from the top 10 cryptocurrencies. If you go to CoinMarketCap, here at CoinMarketCap are the top 100 currencies. You pick 3 or 4 of the top currencies, and every month you buy a certain percentage. Every month, you could do this on automatic, buying cryptocurrencies. There are places you could do that. You can go to Coinbase. Coinbase has 4 basic currencies that they deal with, and then you can buy those every month and just buy and hold. That is the simplest way of dealing with cryptocurrencies, where you don't need a very big learning curve and you can easily get involved in, just like I say, just buy some or buy a certain percentage. You split it up, get like 60, 15, 15, 15, or 55, you just split it up into the number of coins. Usually most people buy a little bit more Bitcoin, and then the larger percentage is Bitcoin, and then you can divide the other percentages into whatever other coins you want to get involved in. You should do a little research though. Do a little research on the coins so that you know what you're getting involved in. But as you can see here in the top 100, look at the top 10. Number 2 is trading. There are 2 ways to trade cryptocurrencies. Now, of course, you can go and learn how to trade cryptocurrencies on your own and read the charts and see how it goes, and buy and hold on your own, or trade on your own any cryptocurrency you want. Or you can have a software do it and they do the analysis, and then you can buy it that way. So there are 2 ways to do trading. Now, the third way is mining. Also similar. You can buy mining rigs. I don't recommend you buy a mining rig for Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin has already been mined. Over 80% of Bitcoin has been mined, and this last 20% is going to be the most difficult part to mine. And you're competing with some of the biggest crypto mining rigs all over the world. So forget about mining Bitcoin, because it's just too difficult. And you're not really going to get a lot from it. But you can also mine all kinds of other coins. Or you can also buy contracts. Have some of the big boys do the mining for you, and then you buy contracts, and you can earn from their mining. So those are 2 ways to earn for mining. That's number 3. Number 4 is a master node. Most people don't know much about master nodes. In master nodes now, this started with Dash. When Dash first started, they wanted people to get involved, and they wanted them to be able to put their input into the development of Dash. So what they did, they created what's called a master node. And in a master node, if you hold 1,000 coins of Dash, then you have voting rights. You see, so that's what they did. Plus, if you hold 1,000 coins, which is called staking, which is holding, is similar to buy and hold. You buy them and you hold them. There's a particular way to do that. I'll get into that in a second. That's called staking. So if you buy 1,000 coins and you hold them and you stake them, they will pay you a certain percentage, which is already outlined as to, I'll show you what that is in a second, as to how you can now mine your own, you can hold those coins, and they will pay you for holding those coins, because you're applying the law of supply and demand. You don't want all your supply out there. So if there are some that are being held, then the supply that is out in the market has more value. Okay, so that's part of the concept and stuff. Now, in a master node, you can also do it yourself. Remember, to have a master node, you have to hold these coins. You have to what's called stake these coins, which means you have to hold them in a particular place. You have to hold them in a server so that their system can see that you have these in a particular place and you're holding them and you're not trading them and you're not selling them and you're not buying and selling. So now that is the process. That's the difficult part. You could do this yourself, or like I did, I have a team of people that are working with me. Basically, they're the brains of the outfit. They're the ones who have created the servers, who are holding our coins. Then as a group, we're all buying those coins, because like to buy 1,000 of Dash is very expensive. So if you buy 1,000 of Dash, it could cost you anywhere, depending on the value of Dash. If Dash is at $250, which is about the price that it is, it's actually at $220. But so $220, let's say times 1,000 is $220,000, right? So that is a master node. It has to be at least 1,000 coins. So you're not going to put up, you may if you want to, depending on how much you're getting back. But that's what a master node for Dash. I think Dash is one of the most expensive master nodes around. But if you want to find out more about master nodes, you would go to this Master Nodes Online. And on Master Nodes Online, it will tell you exactly how much the master node costs. It tells you exactly how many coins you need to hold the master node. If we go here, it tells you that I just picked one, Polis. The daily income is $5.53 basically. Weekly, that will earn you $38.71. Monthly, that's $165.90. And yearly, you would get $2,018 a year. That's for that one. Now remember, let's go down here. What is required to hold a master node? 1,000 Polis. 1,000 Polis will cost you $1,220. So if you want to see what the return of interest is, if you see here, you will get 163% interest in 223 days. Now, so you can earn your money back basically in about a half a year, maybe 6 months. You will earn all your money back for that one. And then if you keep holding those every year, like I said, you'll be making $2,000, or you'll be making $165 a month. That's for that particular master node. So there are different master nodes, there are different prices, there are different coins that you can hold. But that's basically the idea, is that you hold the coins, or you stake the coins in your own server, and then you connect with the with the coin that you're using, so they know that you're staking, and they will pay you a certain amount of money. Everyone is different. Everyone pays you differently. Everyone is a different number of coins. And here at masternodes.online, you can go and investigate how to do that. So that is a great way of making money, because basically you don't have to worry about the trading. You don't have to worry about the ups and downs of Bitcoin and everything. These do have their ups and downs as well. The coins do go up and down, and you have to make sure that you do get a good solid coin. So you have to do a little due diligence. But this is what I'm doing, because I really didn't want to go through the learning curve of learning how to set up a server, learning how to set up the wallets, and doing all of this. You still have to set up a wallet if you're going to buy coins, but I didn't want to do that. So I joined this great group called Passive Node System. And so we have a group called Passive Node System where we work as a team to buy a percentage of each master node, and then that percentage is given back to us every week. So we get paid every week on that, whichever coins we pick. So far we have several coins. If you want to get more information of what the passive node system is about, you can contact me at the Facebook group or my Facebook page. I'm going to give you the information there. But these are 4 solid ways of making money with cryptocurrencies. Again, you can buy and hold. You can trade, you could do mining, and you could do master nodes. And you could do all four if you want, really, if you have the monies to do that. You could do one of the above and then build from there. So there are many different ways of getting involved with cryptocurrencies and making money with cryptocurrency. If you want more information, contact me at my Facebook page. This is Edwin Cabrera signing off here in Manassas, Virginia.